In this guide, you'll learn how to fix no internet connection or network error message today on CapCut. Let's get started. When you open CapCut on your phone, you might see the error like no internet connection or please check internet and try again. In most cases, this is not a problem with your device or Wi-Fi. So the very first thing you want to do is check the server status of CapCut. For that, launch your preferred browser. Navigate to the website like Town Detector. Search for CapCut. If you check outage reports or server status updates, you'll usually notice a large spike in reported issues, which means thousands of users worldwide are facing the same problem at the same time. This confirms that the issue is coming from CapCut servers, which may be temporarily down, under maintenance, or overloaded with heavy traffic. When this happens, CapCut cannot connect properly and displays a network error even if your internet is working. Since this is a server-side issue, there is nothing you need to change in your settings, but also you can give it a try. You can check internet connection. Likewise, enable airplane mode, wait for a few seconds and then disable it. This will refresh the network. Likewise, check for app updates. Launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app CapCut. After app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, reset network. For that, launch settings, go to General, click on Transfer, Reset iPhone, click on Reset and click on Reset Network Settings. And that's it. Applying these steps, your CapCut should work. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.